Hello there one and all, and welcome to Wykeham Road in Reading. So the property in front of me is a 4-bedroom detached family home. It's at the top of Wykeham Road, which for those of you that don't know is just off of St Peter's Road, close to Earley St Peter's Junior School, Alfred Sutton Junior and Maiden Earley Silverdale. The cooperative is a 2-minute walk away, and there is a regular bus service nearby that will take you into the town centre. Property is being offered with no onward chain, so without further ado, let's head on in. So first things you'll notice is that you have this private driveway area. Now the grass part could be hard courted if you want to fit more cars in. He certainly parked 2 vans on there plus his Tesla behind those electric gates. Speaking of Tesla, he is leaving the Tesla charging unit attached to the house. We have garage just here as well. Lovely dry space for storage, maybe for a car, and then you've got access either side. So what we'll do, let's head on in. So we've got this great porch area here first of all, and then heading in, and you'll notice that we've got these modern looking sleek black radiators. Now it's all solid wood floor throughout, apart from in the downstairs WC and the bathroom, but it is so all hardwood floor throughout. On the side here, there's your smart heating. There is an alarm system should you want it. This house is being sold with no onward chain. As you can tell, it is empty. Downstairs WC there, before heading through to your reception. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do, just stand in the corner here and just slowly show you the room. So this is your reception area. Really good size. This sort of wooden parquet flooring as well sort of adds a bit of character to it. Lovely big windows, lovely and light. It's a bit of a grey day today, but it is a lovely light room. We've got French doors out into your back garden, and I'll take you there in a moment. But first of all, I want to show you the kitchen. So kitchen, lovely and modern. There was a large American style fridge freezer just here, but that was removed. But under counter lighting, we've got Zanussi double oven there. We've got an AEG hob. There's a very sleek looking extractor fan. It also has dishwasher and washing machine, all built in. Nice bay window, and then this black and white tile splashback. So there's the that's the kitchen there, and what I love as well is the fact that you've got these sliding doors as well. So if you wanted a bit of peace and quiet from the kitchen, you can close those off or open it all up if entertaining or with family. What we'll do, let's head on outside before I take you upstairs. So with this being detached, so we have access from here, and there you can see your back door into your kitchen. Whereas on this side, this is where the bins are stored, just there, and again, full of access. We have a good size shed in the back garden, and then we have this studio. Now this is where he used to work, so we've got an air conditioning unit in here as well. So heading on in, so we have he did a lot of videos, a lot of video production, so there's lots of plug sockets and space for internet. There's your aircon unit and the controls, and then down the far end through this door here is a small kitchenette, and in there is a small but fully functioning WC and sink. So would make a great either home office or playroom, something like that maybe as well. Right, so that's the that's the studio there, just on the other side from the French doors. And what we'll do, let's head on upstairs. Right, I'll see you in a second. So heading upstairs, we have straight ahead of you, we have the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. Now this was also used as a recording, for recording and a bit of video production. So there used to be a lot of the soundproofing sponge up on the wall, which is what you can see the remnants of here. But here's a good sized single bedroom. Coming out of there and turning to the right, we have one of the other bedrooms, one of the other doubles. And again, just standing in the corner, give you an idea of the size of the room. There's a recess there if you wanted to put a built-in wardrobe, but good size bedroom on there. Other side of the hallway, we have a wonderful 4-piece family bathroom. So we have a single shower here, and then bathroom, toilet and sink. Down the end of the landing, first of all, sorry, there are 2 storage cupboards. Used to be boiler cupboard before the combi was put in, but down the end of the hallway, there are 2 other bedrooms. So these are bedrooms 1 and 2. So we're into number 2, which again is a good sized double. And this one has built-in wardrobe at the end. There we are. Just there. And on the other side is the main bedroom. Just there. And that one there again has a big recess there should you want to put in a wardrobe. But it's a really good sized double bedroom. And then with views out over the front. So that's the property. As I've said, it is currently available on the market. It has no onward chain, so do get your inquiries in quickly. And I really look forward to showing you around privately. Take care.